Hi guys, so if you like this look, all the products are actually first impression, so you can continue watching the video to see. To start off, I have this spray that is by Tarte, Ready Set Radiant Skin Mist. I think it's a spray first. I will open up there's a tape. Now I will be using the primer. It's from Etude House Face Blur Primer on my hand. I'll apply onto my face. Next is foundation. So I have this Etude House Any Cushion All Day Perfect. So with the puff that came with it, and I'll open it up, and it just has a bit of smell. Okay, I'll just try. Oh yeah, the first time I used was like, the shade is okay, slightly lighter than my natural skin tone. Okay, much enough. The coverage is 0 coverage. I look even more pale in the camera. Okay, so actually I bought this a really long time ago, but I always forget to use it because I always wanted to use it before the foundation. Then I'll just either finish primer and go straight to foundation, or just start foundation immediately. But then I really love foundation, so I'll just forget it. I'm just gonna start with this. I really want to have a chance to use it to see how it is on my skin. So I think I'll be using the green and this beige color here. Okay, so I'll use the green for my nose area. Sometimes I do get a bit of redness around my nose. It's not obvious at all. Beige color for my eye bag. The mirror, right, actually covers pretty well. Let's see the camera. Oh, actually, yeah, you can tell it covers quite well. I'll move on with concealer and liquid contour and liquid highlight by Dr. Jart. I'm just really curious how the concealer one, which is a center shade, will work for my skin, how well it can cover all my blemishes, since my eye bag is already actually pretty covered, but I want to put it on my eye bag also so that I won't look so pale like a ghost. And the highlighting shade, you can tell it's a little pink, so it'll make a very nice healthy highlighting shade, I guess. I think I'll do the neutral shade for my blemishes. Let's do the highlighting one next. Didn't notice that the applicator actually is quite flat and nice. You know what, actually I can't really tell if it's good or not because it just feels like that cushion's color. So now the contouring shade. So I'll quickly go and do the eyebrows and powder my face. Before I forget, I do have some new brow products that are from Benefit. So I've already powdered my face. I'm gonna start doing eyeshadow. So my eyeshadow palette will be from Tarte, Rainforest of the Sea, Volume 3. Looks like this. I prefer matte for my eyeshadow, definitely. So I think I'm gonna use the bronzer that I got, that is also from Tarte. I'm gonna use it as a crease shade. I'm going more of the pink and just put it over my lid, I guess. Take the darker color. There's the outer one. Oh, my lower lash. Taking more the bronzier shade and just put it. Oh, waiting for my eyeliner to dry, I will do my blusher first. So I got it at the event. It's like a coral shade and it's also a cream blusher. I never really dare to try cream blusher because I have a lot of concealer here and I don't want to keep moving it because it will just show my acne and the color of the blusher will just make it more obvious. I'm just gonna use my finger. I'll be doing mascara and I'll curl my lashes first. The mascara I'll be using is by Tarte Light Camera Lashes Mascara. Wow, it makes my lashes so thick. With my brush, I'll be using the Tarte bronzer. Next, the last step is lipstick. So, also from Etude House. Matte Chic Lacquer. This is in the shade Wendy Brown. In the camera it just looks really bright and red. Last step, since it is a prep and set spray, last step will be setting this. Final thoughts to the products. For the eyeshadow palette, the Tarte one, definitely will not use it alone because close up, okay, it looks really shimmery. It says Wendy Brown on the packaging. It doesn't look brown at all. When it says Wendy Brown, I was expecting my lids but better the kind of color. The blusher actually is nice. I really like the blusher. It's not too much or what, and it doesn't budge my concealer a lot. The Dr. Judd concealer, I will try again the highlighting one with my normal foundation. The contour one, I like it a lot for my face. My nose is just, I don't know, maybe I'll do a few layers for my nose since that's just my preference. For the concealer, the neutralizing one, actually okay. Maybe I'll put more. For the foundation cushion, definitely I don't think I want to use it again because it's not like too pale from my normal skin tone, you see. It doesn't look too bad with my neck, but maybe it's also because of my bronzer and my blush. It makes me look not so dead. For the Tarte spray mist, I definitely don't mind using it again. I can't really tell if it's good or not. So for the primer, okay, the primer over here it says there's SPF 33, so that is a good point. If I am going somewhere really really sunny and hot, I want my SPF to, I want to pick out my SPF. I will definitely use it as a makeup primer besides using my sun normal. So if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe, and also leave a comment, and follow me on my Instagram, which is at gyremily. And I am done for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Thank you so much for watching, and bye. Quite happy with most of the product here. I am really hungry right now.